Question 1. What is an interface? Answer. An interface is not a class but an object with a set of methods. The method inside an interface has only method definitions without int body. An interface is used to implement multiple inheritance in code. This feature of an interface is quite different from that of abstract classes because a class cannot derive the features of more than one class but can easily implement multiple interfaces. Variables in interface must be declared as public, static, and final, while methods must be public and abstract. Question 2. What are abstract classes? What are the distinct characteristics of an abstract class? Answer. An abstract class is a class that cannot be instantiated and is always used as a base class. We cannot instantiate an abstract class directly. This implies that we cannot create an object of the abstract class. It must be inherited. We can have abstract as well as non-abstract members in an abstract class. We must declare at least one abstract method in the abstract class. An abstract class is always public. An abstract class is declared using the abstract keyword. The basic purpose of an abstract class is to provide a common definition of the base class that multiple derived classes can share. Question 3. What is the difference between abstract class and interface? Answer. An interface contains methods with only signatures and no body. An abstract class contains method signatures with or without body. A class can implement several interfaces inside it. A class can inherit from a single abstract class. By default, interface has public access modifiers. It cannot use any other access modifiers. An abstract class can have any access modifiers. No variables and constants can be defined in a class. An abstract class can have variables and constants. Question 4. What different type of connection architecture we have in ASP.NET? Answer. There are two types of connection in ADO.NET. They are connected architecture and disconnected architecture. In connected architecture, we don't have to open and close the connection manually. A data reader is used in connected architecture to read the data from the database row by row. This reduces the performance efficiency as we have to each time hit the server each time, and the traffic for the server also increases. In disconnected architecture, we have to manually open and close the connection. A dataset or data table is used in disconnected architecture to read the data from the database at a time and store it in memory. Question 5. Can you allow a class to be inherited but prevent a method from being overridden in C#? Answer. Yes. Just declare the class public and make the method sealed. Question 6. What is a ViewState? Answer. ViewState is one of the state management methods used to retain the page and its control values between postbacks. It stores the values of page or control properties that you define. One bit of state that does not need to be persisted across postbacks is the controls properties specified in the declarative syntax, since they are automatically reinstated in the page's instantiate stage. ViewState is a client-side state management. Question 7. Difference between session and ViewState? Answer. Session is more secure than ViewState as it is stored in server-side memory and creates a unique session ID for each session. Question 8. Difference between dispose and finalize methods in C#? Answer. Finalize method is implicitly called by garbage collector to delete the object if it is no longer in use, whereas dispose method is explicitly called inside a class through a disposable interface to forcefully remove the object and its references. Question 9. What are the differences between value type and reference type? Answer. Value type contain variable and reference type does not containing any direct value. Memory is allocated in managed heap in reference type, and in value type memory allocated in stack. Example for reference type class. For value type struct, enumeration. Question 10. What is a delegate? Answer. Delegate is an object that holds the reference to methods in C#. It is same as a function pointer in C.